So this test is gonna see basically if we're able to get our arms in a snatch position, push press, anything like that, without having to arch in our back. When people have stiff lats, and let me know if this resonates with anybody in here. If we're doing a press and we have stiff lats, we're having to arch in our back to get the motion. Who here feels like they do that? Okay. All right, let's have you take a seat right here, and I'm gonna have you sit crisscross applesauce with your back against the wall. So what we wanna do is we wanna keep our ribs down, because if we don't keep our ribs down, we can arch and we can compensate the movement. So what we're gonna do with Chris here is Chris is gonna bring his thumbs and his hands into kind of like that, strict press, push press position. He's gonna keep his elbows straight, and you're gonna try to bring your arms as far back to the wall as you can before your back arches, okay? Good, come back down. Really close this gap here, hunker down.
Like that?
Well, you're gonna close that and then relax the shoulders back. There you go, now go. So he can get that, okay? So now Chris moves on to the next one. Now he's going to supinate his grip. He's gonna flip his palms up, and let's do the same thing. Okay. See how that left side gets there? He can get there, but as soon as he does that, that back comes off here, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna partner up, and you guys are going to keep your back flat, and it's pretty obvious. You guys are gonna know if you start arching, right? If you're doing this, you're like, this is so easy. It's probably because your back's not flat, okay? If you guys struggled with getting your arms all the way back above your head, you're probably gonna struggle with this one too, to be honest, okay? So if you feel like you passed that, just flip your hands and do the same exact thing, okay?